Happy today to you, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making a barbecue pork roast, and these are the ingredients. I have some onion powder, garlic powder, seasoning salt. We don't need any more salt. Pepper. I have some whole cloves of garlic that I've sliced in slivers. I have paprika, and I have red pepper, barbecue sauce, and these are all those things I just mentioned, those seasonings that I put here together. And this is what we're going to do. I have my oven preheating at 375. I'm going to take some of this garlic. I'm going to poke holes in it. I'm going to stick the garlic in it, inside. Repeat this all the way around. Try to space them out a little bit. You want the flavor of the garlic to be all the way through. Just permeate the meat. That's if you love garlic. And I'll be back when I'm done with this. I'm going to take the seasoning blend, sprinkle it over top, and rub it in. And on the sides too. I put the garlic, the whole cloves that I sliced in slithers, I put it all over. Well, mostly, just so that you'll be able to taste it all through the meat. That should be about enough. And see the fat side? I'm going to leave that up so that the juices will run back down and into the meat and keep it moist. I'm going to take it, place it in my pan, move this. I'm going to add a little bit of water. Cover, and I'm going to place it in the oven that's been heating on 375, and I'll be back when that's done. Okay, I cooked it on 375 for an hour and 15 minutes. I took it out, I poured the juices off, I poured over my barbecue sauce, I put it back in for 10 more minutes on 475 degrees. Then I took it out, and here you have it, barbecue pork roast. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, do something nice for someone, and be well.